Now, Germany is wary of China. It has now officially announced a more hawkish stance. Berlin feels that it needs to take an assertive on Beijing. Obviously, President Xi Jinping isn't happy. China has warned Germany that this would further worsen ties. Clearly, a new geopolitical game is all set to begin. Now, the German government has approved its first national strategy on China. Now, endorsing the 64-page document, the Chancellor Olaf Scholz's government is hoping to reduce critical dependencies on Chinese goods, in line with the European Union's strategy urging de-risking ties with China. Germany says the move was necessitated as it seeks to de-risk and not decouple from China.
Erstens, wir wollen uns von China nicht abkoppeln, sondern Risiken so weit wie möglich mindern. Im letzten Jahr haben wir schmerzhaft erlebt, wie verwundbar uns einseitige Abhängigkeiten machen.
China is Germany's largest trading partner, with bilateral trade volumes last year reaching nearly $334 billion. China is a core market for top German companies, including Volkswagen and BMW. In October of 2022, the Chinese state shipping company COSCO was granted a reduced stake in a terminal in Germany's Hamburg port, so as to dispel concerns about too much Chinese influence on the port. Nearly half of all European investments in China are from Germany. Now, almost half of German manufacturing businesses rely on China for some part of their supply chain. But supply chain issues prompted by the coronavirus pandemic laid bare the extent to which Germany and Europe had grown dependent on China. Russia's invasion of Ukraine also raised fears that Beijing could misuse economic dependencies. Under its first national strategy, German companies have been called to reduce the geopolitical risks of doing business in China. It wants to prevent the need to tap state funds in the event of a crisis. Germany says it is working to provide incentives to encourage German companies to diversify their businesses beyond China.
Deshalb werden Unternehmen, die sich in hohem Maße vom chinesischen Markt abhängig machen, in Zukunft das finanzielle Risiko verstärkt selbst tragen müssen. Zur wirtschaftlichen Sicherheit gehört auch, dass Unternehmen sicherstellen, dass sie in ihren Lieferketten die Menschenrechte, dass sie dort nicht verletzt werden.
The strategy will now move to Parliament, where lawmakers are expected to begin debating it when they reconvene in September.